Ooh, we got a rattlesnake here. Look at that face. And are they doing that just with their breath?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Get the fuck out of here. I'm sorry, that's Conor McGregor. I love that guy.
Oh yeah, I was watching that last night.
Oh,
Him
so
talking
funny.
shit about Mayweather.
Dude, he was like, on the count of 3, fuck the Mayweathers. I was like, yes! The Mayweathers need to know, man. There is a new king, and his name is Conor McGregor. Even though I love boxing,
Right.
Conor's the man.